So I'm not actually out on the bike today, but I am going to be fitting something to the bike, which has arrived in the last couple of days, and there they are, some Hepco and Becker engine bars for my trusty R12 NineT, BMW R12 NineT. I've been meaning to fit engine bars for quite some time, actually, ever since I got the bike. The thing about BMWs with these huge great pots sticking out of the side, if you are unfortunate enough to drop it, then you're going to do quite a lot of damage to the cylinder heads and so forth. So I finally bit the bullet and ordered the engine bars. Went for the Hepco and Becker. Did a bit of research, sort of narrowed it down to Hepco and Becker and Wunderlich, and actually with a little bit of digging I worked out they are the very same engine bars. Hepco and Becker do manufacture them for Wunderlich. Wunderlich just rebadge them and sell them for about 30 or 40 quid more. So anyway, I've kind of sorted everything out and worked out which bolts go where. These instructions are pretty useless, actually. It took a little bit of patience and perseverance to work out exactly what's what, but anyway, there you are. So these bolts are kind of lined up to go in the right places, left and right side. And I've got the tools, not the Guinness, but the various tools I'm going to need to do the job. Torque wrench, of course, important to torque them down, to torque those bolts down correctly. A Torx T55, that's to get. There is actually one of the places where the bars attach is in here, and there's actually an OEM T55 Torx bolt in there, so that needs to come out. So I've got the Torx for that, and then the I think it's M8, M10 and M12 Allen keys to attach the bars. Should be fairly straightforward. I mean, there are just 3 fixing points. Where are we now? So there's one just here. The other one here, as I said, that's where that bolt's got to come out first, and the other one just here. So conveniently, these are all in place, ready to have bars fitted. Anyway, I'll be doing that a little bit later on this afternoon, so I'll come back later. So the first thing I've got to do is remove that OEM bolt that's in there. I think it's a T55. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, perfect. Well, that was a bugger to remove. So now they're all in place. I need to take them out one by one, put a little bit of thread lock on. Okay, you stay there. Medium strength thread lock. Don't need to go too mad with it. This is the fiddly one, actually. That space is just staying in place. With a bit of luck, that's where it will stay. That's got him. Okay. That's all looking pretty good. I've just had a look down the side there, and with that leaning over, it's going to be really, really difficult to work on. So I need to try and lift it up slightly. But in the absence of a paddock stand or a centre stand, got to use a bit of creativity. Feels pretty good, but just to be sure, just going to secure the front brake with a cable tie. There. That shouldn't actually go anywhere. A little bit of ingenuity. Don't try this at home, whatever you do. But as you can see, that's lifted the bike up now, and I can get similar access to what I got on the other side. I'm going to leave the side stand down just in case that damn thing did try and fall over. These bolts are actually securing the engine to the frame. Obviously it's secured with several other bolts, but I've seen some people on YouTube have put a little block underneath just in case. I haven't bothered today. Right, got him out, little devil. Tuck that in, that should be okay. Let's put that plate and spacer in there. There's not too much trouble to line that one back up again. Yeah, that's got him started. So, in theory, all done. All looking good. Looking good on that side. On this side. Yeah, I chose these ones because they're quite understated. Plenty of protection. Doesn't really detract from the look of the bike, I don't think. Anyway, there you go, all done. So, thank you for watching. If that's been any use for anybody, real world, non-mechanic, fitting engine bars to his motorcycle. Even though, quite honestly, it wasn't a difficult job. Sometimes these little things, it helps to see other people just getting on and doing it when you know you've got the job to do yourself. But yeah, we'll leave it there. Just drag the bike back in. Job done.